This is my third with Nykaa, and as exciting and as amazing as the first one that I did years ago, and I can't wait for many more in the near future. You can see how the turnout is. The Hyderabad is here for me and Nykaa, so thanks to each one of you all. We can't wait to bring in even more exciting events like this in the near future in collaboration with Nykaa. So yeah, thank you so much once again, and it was an amazing event. We had great numbers. Everybody learned great tips and tricks. We have created this beautiful smoky eye that they learned from me, and I can't wait for them to share what their looks will be like after this class. Thank you so much.
I feel great. I love Alia's makeup. I've worked with her before as well, and she does an amazing job. So I'm very happy to be decked up by her. After applying the skincare products, my skin really felt hydrated and plumped up. And then after the makeup, I don't feel anything on my skin. It just looks very flawless and feels flawless. Thank you.